Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be an updated wash and go tutorial. If you've not already, please don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel and please share this video with your friends. So a lot of you have been asking me if I'm still doing the normal routine with my wash and go. So in this video I just went ahead and showed you guys what or how I do my wash and go now. You guys know I don't like using so much products when I do my wash and go. I like to keep it as simple as I possibly can. I conditioned and washed my hair last night and I just cornrowed it and took it off this morning and decided to do the wash and go. This wash and go didn't take time at all because I decided to use the blow dryer. The advice I'm going to give you guys complaining about the residue from the Eco Styler gel is after doing your wash and go, you just use the material like a cotton material to press out the residue a little bit. Then when you do that, you shake your wash and go and then you still use the dryer to dry your hair and dry it on a low heat so that you will not have any form of heat damage. And that is just it. It didn't take time. Just 2 hours for me to get this wash and go. Yeah, it didn't take that much time. It's not a big deal. You can definitely achieve a great wash and go with a 4C hair. So I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel and please share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start on the clean dry hair. So first of all, I'm gonna divide my hair into 4 equal parts. And then I'm going to take a little bit of section out and then I'll apply my castor oil. Then I'll spray a little bit of water to get my hair to be damp. Then I'm going to comb my hair through and then I'll apply a little bit of leave-in conditioner. I'm using the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. As you guys can see, as I'm applying it, I'm just running my fingers through my hair. And I'm going to take my Eco Styler black castor oil and flaxseed gel. And I'm going to start applying it. As I'm applying it, I'll be running my fingers through it. Overall, this takes about 30 minutes to do. So as I'm applying the gel, I'll just keep on, spraying a little bit of water because I want to make sure that my hair is damp while I'm doing it. Yeah, I'm just trying to make sure that the gel gets through every strand of my hair, and I'm just trying to separate my hair as well. And as I'm doing it, I'll be shaking my hair because it helps to separate my hair into strands. That it really helps with the coils as well. So that's what I'm going to keep doing. But I make sure I detangle my hair. It's very important to detangle the hair. It's going to help your hair to coil very well. So as you guys can see, I'm just going to run my fingers through it and try to separate the hair as much as I possibly can. So that's what I'm going to keep doing. As you guys can see, I keep shaking my hair.
It's time to go now. We're moving out of town. Pack a few picture frames before we're done. I scraped up all the change up under our bed. We're getting out of here. I've been dreaming about the Golden Coast, where celebrities and ordinary people go. I know you wanna change. We're driving state to state until you forgive me, baby. We're rolling down this freeway. We left the past behind us, and up ahead I see California. Yeah. By the time we get there, maybe you forgive me. Let's love hard, let's live now in Hollywood, California. Yeah. Filling the gas tank, we're moving on.
So now I'm done. I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a very good shake.
I know you're mad at me for what I've done, starting in Cali. I'm making things right. So tell your friends goodbye. Oh, I've been dreaming about the Golden Coast, where celebrities and ordinary people go.
So right here, I'm going to use the blow dryer and I'm going to dry my hair on a very low heat. This part actually takes about 30 minutes or 40 minutes. And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel. And please share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys very soon. Love.
Say she dey killing me